Hello, my lovely people, compliment of the season. So, guys, this is all the chickens I use for the Christmas holiday. You know, there's been a lot of cooking and all of that, and there has not been light, so what better way to preserve my chicken than to fry it so that it could be easier for me to use whatever I want to cook with. So guys, I want to use this opportunity to thank everyone for your support, your love. Guys, I really appreciate. I wish us all a better 2026. I love you.